to the Timer Pit. Today I'm going to show you how to run inventory using Follett Destiny in your school library. Hopefully this video will give you some pointers and help make the whole inventory process easier for you as our school year comes to a close. So once you are logged into your Follett Destiny school library account, you're going to come over here to where it says admin and click. And once it's going to pop up, it's going to come up with all of the admin things that we have, and inventory is near the bottom on mine. So on this opening screen, you can see that I have started inventory for this year. I have it titled 2024 Inventory, and then it has the date that it started, which was the 14th of March of this year. So far, I have completed 77.32% of my library's inventory. So one of the cool things about this, before I show you how to start a new one, is I love this feature right here. When you click on the complete part, it will show you how many copies you have in your library, how many have been accounted for, and how many you are still missing. Then you have the option to run all these different reports so that you can get the actual information about the books that are unaccounted for or accounted for at the time. So to begin a new one, you will click right here where it says Start New. So when you start a new one, you're going to give it a name. So we are going to title this Inventory Practice. Now, I want all of my call numbers, so I'm going to leave this open. I want all of my circulation types and all of my sublocations. Now, this is where I want to show you something. So all the copies for the above will be set to unaccounted for. So I put mine in March because up until then, it should have been keeping kind of track of what we have checked in and checked out in the system itself. So you can change this date to whatever you want to, and then you're just simply going to click OK. And then are you sure you want to start? Now, once you're ready, you can see here that it is not complete, and all you do is take your scanner and start scanning your books. All right, I am going to go back to my actual inventory right here. And when you are finished with your inventory and you are as close as to 100% as you are going to be able to get, you are going to click this Finalize tab. Now, I am not quite ready to click Finalize. As you can see, mine is not completely finished yet. But once you click the Finalize tab, it is very easy. Your inventory is done, and then you can submit the files to whomever you need to within your district. Now that you've seen the steps to do your school library inventory using Follett Destiny, I really hope this helps you as your school year is coming to a close. If you have any questions, comments, or know any tips to make this whole process any easier, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and have a great school year.